everyone, we're going to find f g of x and g f of x for these. And these are actually two separate problems. This is our first problem. This is our second problem. They're fairly simple, so I put them in one video. So it's already written like this. So for the first one, let's do f g of x. So we're doing problem 1. So f g of x. G of x is your inner function. So write down your inner function and substitute. So I'm just going to write this out real quick. So we're writing your outer function is f, your inner function, g of x is x plus 8. All right. Now, write down your f of x, your outer function, and usually I'd leave parentheses. Now, let's evaluate x plus 8. So when you simplify that, you just get this equals x. Now, let's go the other way. Outer function is g. Your inner function is f of x. So now we have g of x minus 8. So write down your g, because that's your outer function, and that's plus 8, and input your minus 8. When you simplify that, you get x. When this happens, by the way, this means these two functions are inverses of each other. All right, now let's go to the second problem. So we're doing this one. Same thing. Our outer function's f, g of x. So substituting, it's really f, and our g of x is absolute value of x. Now you write down your f of x. What I like to do is just put parentheses where you have the x, and then input our absolute value of x. Now this is going to give you, this squared is just going to give you x squared. You don't need to do the absolute value, because absolute value means it's going to be positive. So basically, since it's positive, we don't need the absolute value. Now we saw minus absolute value of x plus 3. Now let's go the other way. So we have g f of x. So that's going to be g, and your f of x is here. So write this down. X squared minus x plus 3. Now, we're going to substitute that into our outer function. Our outer function is g of x. So I'm just going to put this, and instead of x, we're going to put x squared minus x plus 3. There's nothing we can do with that, so this is your final answer. So that's the first part, and this is the second part, and this is your first part. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.